Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, how you can use your smartphone to actually make money. Yes, that's right. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a fancy setup. With just your phone and a little creativity, you can start earning some extra cash. So, if you're ready to turn that device into a money-making machine, keep watching. Smartphones are more than just tools for texting, scrolling, and taking selfies. They're powerful devices that can help you tap into a world of opportunities for earning money. Whether you're looking for passive income or ways to make extra cash on the side, your smartphone can be your best friend. Let's get into the ways you can make money with just your phone. Method 1. Online surveys. First up, let's talk about online surveys. Apps like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Survey Junkie allow you to take simple surveys in exchange for gift cards, PayPal cash, or even prizes. Sure, it might not make you rich, but it's an easy way to earn some extra money in your free time. Just download the app, answer a few questions, and voila, you're earning rewards. Method 2. Selling products or crafts online. Next, if you're crafty or have items lying around your house, you can sell them. Apps like eBay, Poshmark, and Depop make it simple to sell clothes, electronics, and even handmade goods straight from your phone. You just snap a few pictures, list your items, and start making money. Use the power of social media too. Instagram and Facebook Marketplace can also bring in buyers. Method 3. Freelancing apps. Are you good at writing, design, or programming? Use your skills to start freelancing. Apps like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you offer services directly from your phone. Whether it's graphic design, writing blog posts, or even social media management, there's always someone looking for help. Create a profile, showcase your work, and start getting gigs. The best part? You can do this anytime, anywhere. Method 4. Investing through apps. Now, let's talk about something a little more long-term: investing. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Stash make it easy to start investing in stocks, ETFs, and even crypto with just a few taps on your phone. You don't need to be a stock market expert. Some apps even round up your purchases and invest that spare change. Method 5. Teaching or tutoring. If you've got a knack for teaching, you can start tutoring students online. Apps like VIP Kid, Chegg, and Preply let you teach subjects you're passionate about. All you need is a phone and a reliable internet connection. Whether it's English, math, or even coding, you can help others while making money at the same time. Method 6. Cashback apps and shopping rewards. Who doesn't love saving money while shopping? Well, cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey offer you cashback on purchases you're already making, and it's all accessible through your phone. Simply link your credit card or use special app deals, and you'll get money back on things like groceries, clothes, and even travel. Method 7. Content creation and social media. If you love creating videos, photos, or writing, you can use social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Medium to build a following and start monetizing. Brands are always looking for influencers, and platforms like YouTube offer ad revenue once you hit a certain number of subscribers. Method 8. Renting out your stuff. Got a bike, camera, or even a parking spot? You can rent out your stuff on apps like Turo, Fat Llama, or just park and make money when you're not using it. It's a great way to make passive income without having to do much. Method 9. Gig economy jobs. Have a little extra time. Apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Postmates let you deliver food or run errands for extra cash. Or if you're handy, TaskRabbit can connect you with people who need help with everything from assembling furniture to running errands. These gig economy jobs are perfect for people looking for flexibility. Method 10. Testing websites and apps. And last but not least, you can get paid for testing websites and apps. Platforms like user testing allow you to give feedback on websites and apps in exchange for cash, all through your phone. Simple, quick tasks that can add up over time. So, there you have it: 10 ways you can use your smartphone to make money. The best part is, you don't need to quit your day job to start earning extra cash. You can do most of these right from the comfort of your home or on the go. If you found any of these methods helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with which one you're going to try first. And, if you have other tips, share them with the community. We're all here to help each other out. Until the next video, bless.